couldn't be happier, really. You can tell from the pictures the amazing transformation. I just really want to tell you a little bit about my journey. So, what you can see in this is a guy who, put a pool in a couple years ago. And after I'd get out of the pool, I'd go, into the bathroom or something, I'd see my hair, and water doesn't lie. I could see nothing but scalp. I was doing a lot with this little tuft, trying to be a magician, so to speak, and doing the comb over thing. Now, as you can see, I've got full density, covering the hairline, full density all the way through. When I get out of the shower, when I get out of the pool, I feel totally confident just running my hands and fingers through all of my new hair. I can wear my hair in different ways than I've ever been able to wear it before. So you can see, if we do a little pan around, I've kind of got the modern mullet look going on. So I've got two boys that are heavily involved in travel baseball, and the baseball mullet is kind of in the baseball world. I never in a million years dreamed that I would be able to wear a modern mullet, because I just didn't have enough up top to offset it, the long hair in the back. Now, if you have a hat on, maybe, but now I can wear it confidently. I get comments on it all the time. I visited a team of mine that I run, and they hadn't seen me in a little while, and so they were giving me props on the new hairdo. They liked it a lot. So, talk about restored confidence, the ability to wear my hair and do things that I never dreamed of being able to do. It's been one of the best things I could have imagined doing. Just a couple of things that I've done. If anybody that's wanting to know the journey, and these guys have provided a tremendous amount of guidance. So did the PRP at the time of the transplant. Since then, I've done the Nutrafol vitamins. I've done the finasteride every single day. I don't think I've missed a dose. If so, maybe just one over the course of 8 months. Done the scalp massage, done the laser light therapy. So all of the modalities that I could possibly have done, I've tried, as given the guidance from Darren and his team here at We Grow Hair Indy. So I couldn't be happier with these results. Thanks, guys.